Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Nxra. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Nxra, and this is the 1-year chart. The reason I'm showing you this chart is because back here, when Nxra was still sitting under 5 cents and I was making videos on it, people in the comments section kept saying, this cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. It's nothing but a garbage coin. And I kept showing the value behind this cryptocurrency. And look at where we are today, sitting here just above 14 cents. And Nxra is still very undervalued still. Very overlooked. Wait until this next run. I think Nxra is going to surpass $5. And another thing I'm very happy about is that I can buy it on MEXC. If you're looking to buy Nxra, you could use my referral link in the comments section. But like I said, Nxra, nobody's seen the value in it. So in today's video, I'm going to point out the value. I'm going to show you all the growth throughout 2023. I'm going to show you why I think Nxra is going to really expand out and grow in 2024. And why I think Nxra is going to hit some high prices. Questions have been raised about Allianceblock's role in real-world asset tokenization. Let's set the record straight. We've been at the forefront of this revolution since 2019. Our vision was clear in our 2020 white paper. Tokenization is the future. And we predicted a market potential of $2 trillion back then. We didn't just forecast, we built the infrastructure to make it happen. Our innovative approach, including a decentralized proof of authority for regulation, laid the groundwork for what is now a thriving ecosystem. 5 years of commitment has brought our vision to life with an infrastructure ready to power the future of real-world asset tokenization. You know, the World Economic Forum says that's going to be a $770 trillion market. And I think Allianceblock is going to grab a good percentage of that. And when they do, it's going to push the price of Nxra to prices that we could only dream of. At that point, retail would most likely be priced out. Witnessing the launch of our first phase of Nxra's ecosystem is a pivotal moment in the data-driven digital economy. At Allianceblock, we're excited about the potential integrations and collaborations that can arise from this innovative platform. You know, back when Nxra was still ALBT, I was talking about the data tunnel. And I said data is something that's going to grow year over year. And that was one of the reasons I bought ALBT. Then the hack happened, and now it's Nxra. And what I see now for the future is tokenization of data. And I think that's going to be absolutely massive. That could be the next big thing in crypto. And again, Allianceblock would grab a good portion of that market. Allianceblock has joined some dynamic ecosystems in 2023. Doing so positions our solutions in some of the industry's most influential ecosystems. The W3C Consortium sets the international standards for the World Wide Web. Nxra ID joined this prominent organization in May and will help develop interoperable web standards and help shape the principles of sovereign identity. You know, digital ID is going to be huge inside of Web3, and that's where I think Nxra ID is really going to expand out and grow. Allianceblock funders and Nxra ID were integrated into the Arbitrum ecosystem this year. This gives access to our SDKs, allowing developers in these ecosystems to build innovative and compliant Web3 apps. You know, Web3 is going to continue to expand and grow this year as well. The Archify platform was launched on AVAX. The Avalanche ecosystem is leading real-world asset tokenization and is the best place to build and launch real-world asset solutions. You know, even the partners of Allianceblock are pushing towards tokenization. Galileo Protocol are leading the luxury real-world asset tokenization segment in Web3 and used funders in April to raise capital to continue this momentum. Since then, they have used Allianceblock's tokenization infrastructure to enhance the liquidity of their Leox token. Galileo is going in the right direction. Luxury items are going to start to be all the talk all throughout this year as people start to tokenize those items. And, even, real estate. I think real estate is going to get fixed through tokenization this year. First, I think we're going to see a crash and then the rise of tokenization in the real estate sector as well. It's Plus kicked off the year selling out their funding round in March. The team are connecting the dots between crypto services and Web3 with their solutions. They have since partnered with other projects in the Allianceblock ecosystem. I was talking about a massive network forming early on, like in my first videos I was ever doing. And I was talking about how you see this cryptocurrency partner with this cryptocurrency, or partner with this bank, or partner with this company. And back then it was still early and nobody could really see it. Today, you could see that massive network forming. All of a sudden, a company partners with like Allianceblock. Then they partner with the other projects on Allianceblock, forming a much bigger ecosystem, building out and growing at the same time. And Nxra ID was integrated into the platform, making it seamless for users to conduct their KYC. In the most recent funding round, over 1,200 users completed this process. KYC, know your customer, is all the talk right now, especially around regulations. And I think in 2024, we are going to see crypto regulations here in the United States as well. Over $3 million was raised in 2023, setting the foundation for funders to become the tokenized real-world asset liquidity engine for the next wave of innovative projects. Big year ahead. Keep a lookout for all the exciting developments. 2023 was big. 2024 is going to be huge because we're going to start to see value come to these cryptocurrencies all throughout this year. We're going to see them rise higher and higher in price, and it's going to be a very exciting time. Crest Network, which is the world's first economy of things simulation network, used funders to raise capital and gave exclusive access to their Crest and Peak token in May. This partnership drives the mission of DPIN. Peak is probably my favorite project building out on Allianceblock right now. And this is what Peak is. Peak is the decentralized Web3 network powering the economy of things. Peak is designed to solve some of our biggest societal and economic challenges, ensuring that the incentives of people and increasingly intelligent machines are aligned. Peak users will be the driving force of a new, sustainable economic model, beginning by disrupting the automotive industry. Peak empowers individuals, enterprises, and governments to build, earn, and govern on the network via Economy of Things dApps. The Peak network is purpose-built for the economy of things, enabling the secure, fast, and frictionless transfer of value and data between machines and their users at a low cost. Peak's use of machine NFTs allows users to buy and sell stakes of machines on the Peak network, effectively facilitating the monetization of machines. The network also allows developers to build a range of dApps on the network, creating the foundation for the economy of things. Do you know how big that's going to be in the coming years? Peak is going to be absolutely massive. And again, it's being overlooked by most people. Nxra is an all-in-one blockchain agnostic regulated DeFi platform. You can think of them like a complete Lego set for DeFi. If you think of DEXs, liquidity platforms, lending and borrowing dApps, and real-world asset products, and individual pieces of a greater Lego set, building the whole DeFi ecosystem. building out that massive network. Allianceblock is exactly that, but they go far beyond just traditional DeFi, from solutions like decentralized Know Your Customer, AML, compliant crowdfunding, and even data monetization. Over the past year, Allianceblock has established some significant partnerships and their developments in their ecosystem. Most notably, they partnered with Crunchbase and SSA Group to develop the concepts of data monetization through their data tunnel. You know, right now, there's companies, they're making a lot of money off of your data. In the future, you will be making that money off of your data. You'll be monetizing it in the future and getting passive income from it as well. That's why I said data right now, it's just growing out and expanding, and it's becoming more and more valuable. Yeah, I've been bullish on Nxra. 2024 is going to be an amazing year for alts. You know, I think Allianceblock and Nxra this year, it's going to be a massive year. Like I said, right now we're sitting here at 14 cents. In this next run, I'm expecting $5 plus. And if utility kicks in, I don't know where we're going to go from there, because this cryptocurrency is utility driven. And utility, nobody's seen a utility run yet. They don't know how long it's going to last. And they don't know how high the price can get on a cryptocurrency like Nxra. That's why it's a long-term hold for me. I plan on getting passive income from my crypto so I don't have to sell it in the future, because I want to see Nxra reach its full potential. But until it all happens, we got to stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.